Hello and welcome to the Easy English Football Club YouTube channel. My name is Andrew, and on this YouTube channel I help you improve your English in under 5 minutes without grammar or memorization, and with soccer stories from around the world brought to you in easy English with high frequency vocab so you can see English, hear English, understand more, and eventually speak better. Today we're going to look at Messi and Inter Miami. They unveiled their new soccer kit during the Super Bowl yesterday and during a commercial. So we'll watch the commercial and then I'll break it down for you in 18 easy sentences that you can hopefully read and gather some information from. The verbs are highlighted in yellow so you can see the really high frequency important words in English sentences. So with that, we'll watch the commercial really fast. It's pretty good. Yeah, so there was the commercial that they had during the Super Bowl yesterday. And so Inter Miami present their new jersey during Super Bowl. Inter Miami just showed off their new soccer jersey for the year 2025. They did this in a special advertisement during the Super Bowl. The Super Bowl is the biggest game in American football, watched by millions. In this ad, Messi was wearing the new Inter Miami jersey. They named this jersey Euphoria, which means euphoria, or a feeling of great happiness. The jersey is mostly pink with some cool black details. In the commercial, Messi was seen juggling what looked like an American football, but then he kicked it through the goalpost, showing off his soccer skills. There was a fun line in the ad: when football ends, football begins. Football here means American football, and football is what we call soccer in Spanish. The line is saying that after the Super Bowl, the excitement of soccer with Messi begins. Inter Miami is ready to start their 2025 season with a game against New York City FC. This new Euphoria jersey will be worn in lots of different tournaments. They'll play in the MLS, which is the main soccer league here, the CONCACAF Champions League, and even the Club World Cup. Messi's current contract with Inter Miami is set to end after this 2025 season, but the team's owner, Jorge Mas, really hopes Messi will stay longer. He thinks Messi will be wearing this jersey in their new stadium, Miami Freedom Park, in 2026. With Messi in this new jersey, soccer in America is about to get even more exciting. So, you can see here in these 18 sentences, the really important verbs are all highlighted in yellow. Feel free to pause and read the sentences over again. But there was a breakdown of Inter Miami unveiling their new soccer jersey, which looks like this: light pink and dark pink stripes. It's actually really, really good. This is the other one that they have here, the black one, their away kit. So we'll see what Messi can do in 2025. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, you can like it or subscribe to the channel. Bye.